Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to show you that how tab work into the Salesforce core. So tab is a very unique feature that basically it is being used to access your custom objects. Uh, it gives you a starting point. So whenever you create a custom object into the Salesforce core and you want to show it with the application, then you need to create a tab. Once you will create a tab, then whenever you will open up that particular application, this particular object will also be displayed. Basically, its home page will be displayed, right? So let's see in this example. Let's say that I am on a sales application. So these are the objects which are associated with the sales application. So all the tabs has been created. Uh, and if you click on this nine dots, you will see all other tabs here, right? So let's say I have a new object. Let me quickly create a new object here, custom object, and let me create demo tab as an object. And so here it is asking what will be the plural name. So it will be demo tabs. So label is basically the single record, but this this one plural label will be displayed here like this, because your custom object will have a multiple records, so it should be in the plural, right? So that's why I'm saying demo tabs, because it will have a multiple records. Object name is a demo tab. Open the standard one, it's fine. And record name and data type is text, I'm leaving it as it is. And here in the bottom it is asking launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. So basically whenever I will save this custom object creation, then the next screen will be the tab wizard where I will attach this object to that tab. If you'll miss to check this checkbox, then still you can come back and add the tab. So for now I'm just clicking on this checkbox and clicking on save. Now it's asking for the tabs, that what style you want to choose. You can choose any of the style, doesn't matter. And you can put some description here, clicking on next. Here it is asking that apply one tab visibility to all. So you can have a different visibility uh, for each profile, but it has a three options. First one is a default on. It means that whenever you will open the particular application and you belong to given profile, then it will be automatically displayed, right? Second one is the default off. It means that it will not be automatically displayed on the top. You need to click on nine dots and then search that particular object to look. And if it is tab hidden, it means that for a given profile, that particular object will not be displayed. So here I'm keeping the same visibility to all profile, which is default on, but you can also have a different visibility where for this one it's a default on, for this profile it's a default off, and for this profile it's a tab hidden because you don't want to give the access to this profile, right? So that's possible, but for now I'm just keeping it default on for all and clicking next. Here I'm attaching this tab with my sales application. Where is that? Sales cloud, sales here. Okay. So I'm saying that whenever the sales application will be opened, then my uh, that new custom object should be displayed. So clicking on save. Now it has been created. Now coming back here. So if I refresh my page, ideally should be here. Okay, so here you will see the demo in my sales application, demo tabs is being displayed. So we'll click on this, it will show the home page of the demo tabs, right? So it does not have any record, that's why it's like this. But if I will have a record, which is a test one and clicking save here. So it will show test one demo tabs. It will show that record. Yeah. So so that's how this tab work. That whenever you are creating a custom object, you need to attach with the tab so that it can display or with the application. Now let's say that if you miss to select the checkbox, then what you really need to do that you need to come to the home section and search tab here, and here in the bottom once you will click on tab, it is showing that what tabs you have created. So I have created demo tabs, and then here, right, you can edit it, or you can create the new one if you have missed it. uh, right, and it will ask you to select the object. So at this moment there is no custom object which does not have a tab, that's why it's not showing. Otherwise it will show you the object, and then rest of the steps are same which we have discussed in a few seconds. All right. So yeah, please have a look of the tab functionality and make yourself comfortable. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Bye bye.